Welcome! Today I'm going to walk you through the updated steps on how to remove pronouns from your Pinterest profile. It's a straightforward process, but Pinterest sometimes rolls out updates that can shift things around. So let's make sure you're up to date. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Once you're in, look for the saved icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it, and then tap your profile icon. This will take you straight to your personal space on Pinterest. Now that you're on your profile, you'll want to find the Edit Profile button. It's usually located near the top of your screen. Give that a tap to enter the editing mode. Here, you can tweak all sorts of things about your public persona, including your name, bio, and of course, your pronouns. Scroll through the options until you see Pronouns. Tap on it. If you previously selected a pronoun, you'll see it displayed here. To remove it, simply delete the selected pronoun. This should clear the field. Once you've removed your pronoun, look for the Done button, usually in the top right corner of your screen. Tap it once to save the changes to your pronoun preferences. But we're not quite finished yet. You'll typically need to tap Done a second time to finalize the changes to your overall profile edits. This ensures that all the adjustments you've made are saved properly. And that's it. You've successfully removed pronouns from your Pinterest profile. Easy, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps others find this guide and lets me know what content you find valuable. Also, consider subscribing to stay updated on more Pinterest tips and tricks. If you have any questions or run into any snags, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help troubleshoot or point you in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.